How to find file location in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Are you tired because you can't find the exact file location of the files on your Google Drive? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then go to the nine dots on the top right beside your profile and go ahead and open Drive. And uh, now to find the exact location of the files on the home screen, uh, then you have to go to the three dots beside the file, and then there you'll find file information, and you'll find file location. Tap on it and then it will show you the exact location of where the file is stored in your drive. And it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.